How to fix Spotify not playing music. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings on your phone. After this you have to go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this, then go to storage option, then click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.